Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Lithium Car Care. We've had some of their products on the channel before. The Trim Serum, Gloss Sauce, Ceramic Slam. Quirky names and descriptions, but unique, and they work well. So I picked up a few more. Let's take a look at them. Let's get right into the video. Lithium Ignite After Wash Glow contains a bit of polymers, Sio2, can be used in many ways, mainly a quick detailer or a boost of gloss right before you head out. Also, inner space, interior detail, and Quench Hydrate, specially made for single stage paint, can be used on all painted surfaces. We'll get into that. Let's start with inner space. This is a conditioner, cleaner, and protectant for interiors, all hard surfaces. I'm often asked, either here on this platform or on the Apex Detail support group on Facebook, what interior product can protect and block UVA, UVB, harmful rays from the sun. This product right here is one of them. This has UVA, UVB block. It protects, it restores, and it also does say it has a low sheen. I like to actually wipe it back and lower the sheen a little bit more. I'm not going to just apply the product and walk away. Now, it does feel natural. There's no slippery, greasy, slimy feel to it. It's just that it's a little bit too shiny if you leave it go right off the bat without wiping it off a little bit. It does have the ability to clean as well. And when you're done, the interior is cleaned, conditioned, and protected all in one shot. Okay, let's get to Ignite After Wash Glow. I use this as a detailer. This can be used as a topper as well, and that's what it's going to be used for today. This truck has been freshly coated. We're going to hit it with this topper before we send it out. It's kind of a sacrificial layer for the coating itself. It also adds a bit more gloss and also slickness. And that'll bring me to the next question often asked. What kind of a topper can I use that does not attract dust? Well, this product right here is going to be one of them. It's very slick. It will deflect dust, bugs, and pollutants. And it's very easy to apply, streak-free, and you'll see that right here. And that's all there is to it. Slickness you can feel under the towel right away, and the gloss will increase as the SiO2 cures. Go ahead and use it on all hard surfaces, on your car, truck, or motorcycle, SUV, motorhome, boat, and that includes headlights, taillights, trim, wheels, bumpers, plastic trim, glass, and mirrors. Plastic or vinyl tonneau covers, and even convertible tops as well. Don't forget about the wheels. Makes an excellent maintenance product for any wheel and caliper coating. And when complete, you'll have an excellent finish to admire. Moving right along, let's get to a few test panels. And if you're going to use these products, preparation is going to be key to get the most out of them, just like any other detailing product. So wash, decontamination, clay, iron remover, and a polish. So let's get this applied to a panel. We'll let it cure a bit, and we'll take it out and subject it to chemicals and testing from there. Look how easy that is to use. It just flashes away, leaving the protection behind. Now, on this particular panel here, we're starting with 91 gloss units. You can see the reflection already. That will only increase. And as it cures, we can jump over to another test panel and take a look at Quench Hydrate. Now, Quench Hydrate is a unique formula for any really clear-coated surface or single-stage paint, but I like it the most on single-stage, especially my C3. I don't have it here to demonstrate on. It's getting some work done on the motor, so we'll just use this test panel. Now, this is unique in the way that you apply and remove. Apply it. Just get it spread out in the panel first, and then use straight lines, crisscross pattern. Then you want to wait 30 minutes and let it dwell and soak into that porous single stage. Quench Hydrate happens to be emulsified with grapeseed and avocado oils, which is quite unique and happens to be what I use to condition and preserve patina finishes, linseed or grapeseed oil. So let me take you to what single stage looks like up close and with the product applied to it. When I say it's porous, I don't mean porous like the skin. You can see it's more like little tiny cracks, and everything just soaks right into it, and that's why it's not a great candidate for a coating. Although some do, I don't. I like to leave it to this type of a product here, which will fill in those little cracks and absorb into the paint and make it look nice and dark and rich. So after about 30 minutes or so, we're going to come back over and wipe off the Quench Hydrate from the surface, and that leaves behind a nice, glossy, fresh look. Okay, let's get back to Ignite After Wash Glow. Now this has been on the panel for the weekend, well over 48 hours. It's very clear, crystal clear. You can see the reflection there. It feels slick, so let's test it. The slickness is evident by the block just taking off right as we get a little bit of an angle. When it comes to gloss, again, we started at 91 gloss units, and this is the jump. Not the highest on the channel, but anything over 4 or 5 gloss units, you'll be able to pick that up with the naked eye. Let's drag the panel outside, remove the tape, and look for the jetting effect. And that simply means the area that we applied it to is a bit darker, richer, and you can see the outline of where we applied the product. No question, this product here beads. You can see where the protection is on the panel. So we're going to start the 10 wash test and see just how chemical resistant this product is. No problems at all. And that kind of outperformed what I thought from the beginning, because a quick detailer really isn't that concentrated to begin with, just made to remove light dust and give a quick glow or a shine to your vehicle before you head out. So let's step up aggression and pull out the 266. This is the sealant killer. Every single round of the 10 wash test plus 2 rounds of Citral 266. I'll call that quite impressive. Okay, good friends, that'll bring us to the final thought segment of this video. Yeah, guys, quench hydration. Single stage paint is very absorbent. It's a reason I don't like to coat it. Some people do coat single stage. I like to stick to polymer or acrylic sealants. This is very effective as well. This here as a quick detailer with a little bit of Sio2 is very tenacious, as you've witnessed in the video. And then we've had some of the other products showcased earlier on the channel. The trim serum, the ceramic slam, and the gloss sauce. So when it comes to a rating for these products on the channel, it's going to get oppressive, some very oppressive. If you have any questions whatsoever on any of the products, old or new, let me know down in the comment section. Catch you in the next video.